Okay, for this particular house, I can't do gate opener. That is automated gate, automated machine. So I come automate this gate. So nobody say I be welder. I come add machine where they make the gate dey open like this for this particular house.
So like this one, I not be person the roller.
No, this one and a machine I dey roll the gate.
Okay, oh yes sir, before we go proceed, for those who they see you now, make you tell them your name and the jobs wey you do again.
Okay, my name na Oga Nessie, the CEO and the founder of Advanced Nursing Multi-Service Limited. In case you dey hear the name anywhere or you go hear am in future time. So I dey into water collector. So we graduate to electric from there. Where we are, we dey smart gate and we dey do am excellently well. We dey work nationwide. If you get work for Lagos, Abuja, any of these states where you need these services for smart gates.
Okay, I go for my name Sirimen Igbenavia Osamojame, and I welcome all of you to Edo CBC this afternoon. And I update concerning automated gates that will come given today, and I will deal with Oga Nessie, not Oga Nessie, like 3-1, hey, you'll be as you all see for standing. So if they do water collector as well, if they do very well, if they do electric fence well, this automated gate too is Sabiam well. Oh yeah, Oga Nessie, this automated gate, so now how it dey work?
Okay, this automated gate is being powered by solar.
Okay.
And it can also be powered through 247 electricity. So the reason why solar dey here na to supply the power, because for you to dey open this gate automatically with remote or any sensor, you go need constant electricity. So today you go see say solar dey here. In most cases, the solar will fit dey this position.
Okay.
In other cases, the solar will fit dey inside house. But this particular one, we put am for here.
So that the panel be this one.
Yes.
Where they charge the machine.
Yes, where they charge the machine. You dey very close to am so that make you put the charge down fast.
And it dey neatly done. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, another question, sir. Now, like this automated gate now all gates they fit automate.
Okay, any gate where you get, you can automate the gate. Any gate where you get, you fit automate am. But depend on how you take need your gate. This particular one na sliding gate na e be, and machine dey for particularly for sliding gate. If you get sideways, which is Bible gate,
okay,
machine dey wey dey handle those one. Anyone wey you need, they fit put am. But this particular one wey you see, so wey you see say I dey open so, as you take see am so, you dey use phone.
Okay.
You fit use your phone access am. You fit use manual. You fit dial number. SIM card fit dey inside. You get position where dey place SIM card. If you dial the number of that SIM card, the gate go open. So whether you use network or you no use network, you get me. So if you dial am normally, we put SIM card inside. If you dial the SIM card, the gate go open. This particular one, you see they get sensors. Where be like say maybe say if you dey drive enter, as you take dey close so, maybe say something near am, just the thing go automatically stop so that make you no go cause hit accidentally. So the more you dey add all those features, the more the money dey high for this particular machine. So you get many features. You still get maybe a face recognition, wey be like say we fit still put am for you, but e no dey for this one. We still put am for your house. So I say the face don dey registered to the system. If the machine just scan am, na small machine wey be like say dey do plenty work. If you just scan am, the gate go automatically open.
Wow, no be small. No, like this one na any gate that has any rolling gate, any weight at all, na dey fit put am.
Yes, any gate where you need, but the weight of your gate na dey consider the factor and the price where e go be. So this particular one na about 600 kg below na e dey weigh. So if you need this one, na just you see this gate now, you no too get weight. This one dey weigh about 800 kg.
Okay.
Na this one dey weigh. Then no too get weight. Installer know how we take lift am. Like we now as an installer, we know how we take lift the weight. May reach within the level of the machine.
Okay.
So if you dey get machine wey be like say na almost 1000 kg and above, the gate wey be like say na almost 1000 kg and above, you get machine wey dey for that particular one.
Okay. Oh yeah, now roll this gate, just roll out. What about pedestrian? Maybe pedestrian they come, person will enter.
For that one, I just for one single person. Maybe say person do your door, now just like this. You enter.
Okay. This oga wan enter so.
Yes.
So this one na practical.
Yes. So maybe say na one person you all dey.
Okay.
The fullest option for this gate e dey cost this one now. If you want just do the one be like say if you all dey, you all read the person like I said before. You all read the person, the machine go assess am, go check am whether the face dey recognized. E go open by itself. This one you no even need to stress yourself.
Okay. Well, yes, sir. This one now how this remote control dey work with am? E dey use a network abi na sensor e dey use?
This one na just normal remote. We go configure and add output. They follow the machine they come.
Okay.
So maybe say if you get maybe your personal house.
Okay.
Normally wetin dey follow dey come na just two remote. But if na commercial house, maybe like say you want give access to each person. E dey come with extra. You fit add extra 5 remote. Maybe then each of your tenants go fit get one of this remote. Then if you want to make it more smarter, then you go need phone. Then all you need to do, if you configure that for you, you will just need to give them the login and everything. But you will be the mastermind behind the thing. Anybody wey you want call log out, you fit log out from the end.
So my name still remain Igbonovia Osamoja as I first talk, and this one is still Edo CBC, and now Ghana's they give us update concerning this gate automation where he can do for one of our viewer where God go bless. I don't ever come this out before. I can't do video for the bedroom cubicle where Oga Igwe Omeka Christian, that's Igwe the glass guy, can't do for you. Now two, one black and one good color. Believe me, this our viewer and a person we really understand. Well. Oh yeah, organically, like this gate automation now with the standard of the job. No, the people not be into the gate, not be weather. Now the machine where they roll the gate, where you know we need a bucket to take roller. Now it can put now they own, now they work for end. Now when you don't weld your gate, you don't do gate. Now you come, you can't check and where see the kind of machine where go feel roll am well successfully, and then you can't put that for you. Oh yeah, organically, so now this one now contract maybe.
This one na contract work.
Okay. This package will now both the machine, the installation of the machine, the solar power where you can't give away the fee, make where they charge the battery where they inside the machine. And now how much it will run this package in total? Give this our viewer.
Okay, like this one, this the function where the owner choose.
Okay.
Now just with the remote, and that one will cost you about 1.2 million naira. So this job costs nothing but 1.2 million naira. So the job that we do for you, you come closer, you see that we add the gates.
Okay.
Then if you open, you see the inside, the gate not be open. So this one are the track. You see the track normally na steel.
Okay.
So as you take put on, you see we all follow the gates. Wey we take set am. So we tag am, we spray am. You see the work. This one na we just this one na the pedestrian. Like say the thing go open.
Okay. And they come. Make I since I don't enter inside, I don't enter inside now. Make I show am back and for me. They see I see the person they roll the gates.
So now be this one. And let this here to the work. So the full opening needs to be this one.
Okay. So the people want do one back and front. Okay. Well now, close on.
So the machine maybe say as you take open, as you take the drive they come. As you take open am, as you take the drive they come. Before you go read there, the machine go automatically close by itself. You don't even need to go to pick the remote and press. But as far as you do within the environment, any place where you for press this particular remote, you go pick.
Okay. 1.2 million naira
Only.
for this total package. So.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, now quickly for those who go see this particular video, we want patronize, we go want me can do something similar for them. Oh yeah, now come give them your phone number now.
My phone number remains 08051310755. I do WhatsApp, and if you need this one, what you need now, you have to send me a video of your gate, your location, where you will also determine the price where we see put, because na transfer want to go there at the end of the day. So we dey work nationwide. So any place where you feel say you want to install this gate, call us and we attend to you.
This one be so organized. You see, they see the feel that's you see need see this to put key.
Normally, you don't see the see space for key here, but you see the key no dey. I dey try push am. You know they open. So if you don't lock, they say you don't lock. So if for people wey like say they dey abroad, they say this one so sometimes they don't know why they really put am for their house. As e dey so, you no fit open am.
So now this one now another way of saying na security.
Yes, as you take class in base, so that base so you be like key. So you no get wetin you go fit do. You be except say na the machine na go open by itself.
Abeg, as you dey thank the owner of this house, just the roller as you wan appreciate the owner of this building.
Okay, the person wey give me job, I gats say very big thank you for the trust and for the time wey you still give me. Let me say you know my location, you just see me online, you give me job, and we have been doing this thing for a very long time. We never carry person money run. So if you wan give us job, you give us a job, we will surely deliver your job and make sure say you will. If you see us, if you don't know how this work, see this work now, you go say, next you do a good job. And if you want refer me, you go kindly refer me. Our work there they get guarantee. So if you get issue, kindly call us. We will still come. We will come fix am for you. That is how we work.
Okay, so my people, that's this one at the party car for both the back and front. I go join my voice with you. I want to really appreciate this our viewer. Thank you very much for your massive support. Thank you very much for your patronage. As I've talked, I said I've come this compound before. You give us free hands, both to use your heart, to shoot videos. So that the second time why they come, you still give us permission again. Thank you very much. If now 1 million people watch this video, you know say now 1 million blessing you will get as much as many people will go watch this video, and as the numbers of viewers they increase, so also your blessings go also they increase. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for your patronage. Don't forget to go follow us on all our social media handle for Odyssey na Edo CBC, for Rumble na Edo CBC, Instagram na Edo CBC, YouTube na still Edo CBC. My name is still remaining Benovia Osamudame, and this na still Edo CBC.